'cause you are the best part of me. The side I hope everyone sees. The air that I breathe, I'm missing peace. Wasn't complete before you, 'cause you are the best part of me. My daylight sky blue, my greener grass on the other side. It's just the simple truth. All that was wrong, you made it right. 'Cause you are the best part of me. The side I hope everyone sees. The air that I breathe, I'm missing peace. Wasn't complete before you, 'cause you are the best part of me. The best part of me. Time can't fade it, the thief can't take it. All my love for you. You are, you are. You are, you are.
Andrew and Brianna have chosen to write and read their own personal vows to each other.
Over the last year and a half, you have shown and taught me so much about love and compassion. You make me a better and more complete person. The quality that I love about you most is that you make the best of any situation. One of my favorite journeys together was when we went to Kansas City for a wedding. We left early in the day to get some downtime in Kansas City on Valentine's Day before a snowstorm arrived. But the weatherman was a couple hours off in his snowstorm prediction. Instead of our drive taking a little under 4 hours, it took about 6. And our plans were scrapped and we scrambled out of the downtown area as roads were closing, cars were getting stuck. What I love about this story is that it's not whether things are going good, whether things are going bad. It's that we always pull together, even in times like this. In our journey of life, I promise to pursue our relationship like when we first started dating through every stage of life. I promise to put God at the center of our relationship and our home, and I promise to make you feel special, always.
From the nights we talked for hours on end, to you watching Christmas movies with me and letting me turn your apartment into the North Pole, even though you aren't the biggest Christmas fan, to now, you somehow always put me first. You care for me in such a way that I couldn't have dreamed of. You have a servant's heart. I've never once doubted your love for me. You were confident about us from the start and have been ever since. You're my person who goes along with all my wacky ideas, and my person who dances right alongside me in the kitchen. One of my favorite things is how hard we always laugh together. I can't wait to do life with you. I will stand by your side and grow alongside you. I vow to keep jumping and hiding and jumping out and scaring you. I vow to be the one to start Nerf gun wars with you, and I promise to never stop giving you the Christmas spirit. Overall, I vow to be your best friend. I promise to love you fiercely through the thick and the thin. I love you today and every day for the rest of our lives. I choose you, and thanks for choosing me too. I love you.
And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. your heart grow dead. For God restores it, brings hope and grace and truth and